Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. To make your garden full of vibrant flowers without the need for expensive chemical fertilizers, in today's video, I will share a very simple organic fertilizer formula using only familiar ingredients from the kitchen, safe, gentle, and anyone can do it, whether you are a beginner or have been gardening for many years. This method helps the plants in your garden grow vigorously, white, plump, healthy roots, green, glossy, and smooth leaves, long flower spikes, evenly blooming buds, and brilliantly blooming flowers. Watch the entire video to bring abundant vitality and vibrant colors to your garden. Let's get started. To make this type of organic fertilizer, we'll need one kind of bulb. Can you guess which one it is? That's right, it's the red onion. Onions aren't just a common ingredient in the kitchen, they're also a natural miracle remedy for orchids and many other plants. First, we'll cut the red onion in half. Next, slice it into small pieces. Onions contain powerful antibacterial and antifungal compounds, along with vitamins and minerals that help strengthen the plant's immune system, stimulate new root growth, keep the leaves shiny and green, and prevent root rot and yellowing. After cutting, I put all the pieces into a blender. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Finally, cover the lid and start blending. Blend thoroughly until the onion is completely smooth, allowing all the nutrients to be fully released and creating a fine, concentrated mixture. This ensures we get the maximum extract, making the filtered solution rich in nutrients and highly effective for nurturing orchids. Next, I'll strain out the pulp from the red onion. Carefully filtering helps us obtain a pure liquid without residue, reducing the risk of buildup on the leaves and roots, and preventing poor aeration or the growth of mold and fungi. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the mixture. And that's it. Your organic fertilizer solution is ready to use. Now, let's apply it to the plants in your garden together. Here's a small but important note. Before applying the fertilizer, lightly water the pots in your garden. This isn't just a formality. It's a crucial step that helps wake up the roots and prepare them to absorb nutrients more effectively. When rinsed with clean water, the growing medium becomes evenly moistened while washing away accumulated salts, dust, and other residues around the roots. This helps create a cleaner, more breathable environment, allowing the roots to respire and exchange nutrients more efficiently. This light layer of moisture also helps activate the root tips, allowing them to expand and enhance the transport of water and nutrients. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the nutrients are absorbed more quickly and distributed more evenly, helping the plant take them in fully without fertilizer shock or root burn. After rinsing, let the plant rest for a bit. This helps it stabilize moisture levels and begin the nutrient exchange process. Method 1. Gently pour the prepared solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to lightly soak up the solution and carefully wipe both sides of each leaf, being gentle and thorough. First, I'll start by wiping the leaves of the Anthurium plant. When cleaning Anthurium leaves with the red onion solution, the accumulated dust and residue on the leaf surface are removed, allowing the leaves to breathe better and absorb more sunlight. Moreover, red onions contain natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds such as quercetin and sulfur, which help protect the leaves from fungal diseases, harmful bacteria, and boost the plant's resistance. Be sure to wipe both sides of the leaves evenly with the red onion solution to enhance nutrient absorption and maximize protection for your Anthurium. For best results, repeat this process 1 to 2 times per week. Next, I'll wipe the leaves of the peace lily. When caring for peace lilies, you need to handle them very gently, as their leaves are thin and can easily get scratched if rubbed too hard. The red onion water solution helps remove all dust, mineral buildup, and long-standing residue from the leaf surface, restoring their natural shine and improving photosynthesis. Powerful antibacterial and antifungal compounds in red onions, such as quercetin and sulfur, strengthen the plant's resistance and help prevent attacks from bacteria and fungi. In addition, regularly wiping the leaves allows you to closely monitor your plant's condition and detect early signs of pests or root stress. Method 2. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and mist it evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. For kalanchoe plants that are in their blooming stage, avoid spraying the solution directly onto the flowers. The petals of kalanchoe are quite thin and sensitive to high humidity. If water stays on them too often, they can easily become waterlogged or develop brown spots, which reduces both the longevity and beauty of the blooms. Instead, lightly spray around the leaves and the base of the plant. This provides sufficient moisture and nutrients while keeping the flowers dry and helping them stay fresh for longer. You can also use this fertilizer solution to water your Anthurium plants. Spraying the red onion solution allows the nutrients to penetrate all parts of the Anthurium, providing vitamins, minerals, and natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds. It also helps form a biological protective layer that shields the plant from bacteria, fungi, and pests. Be sure to spray both the upper and lower sides of the leaves to ensure deeper absorption and even distribution of nutrients, enhancing the plant's protection. This method should be applied once a week during the first month, then reduced to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After each spraying session, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the roots and leaves can fully absorb the nutrients, helping maintain lasting vitality and strong resistance. If there's still water remaining on the leaves or in the leaf axils, use a soft cloth or clean cotton pad to gently wipe it off. This step is very important, as stagnant water provides the perfect environment for mold, bacteria, and other pathogens to develop. If you don't dry the leaves after watering, you may soon notice yellow spots appearing. This happens because the remaining water droplets, when exposed to sunlight, can cause leaf burn, making the leaves weaker and less attractive over time. By drying the leaves, you actively prevent harmful agents, reducing the risk of leaf rot, crown rot, and other common diseases in orchids. Method 3. Pour the red onion solution into a watering can. Then, start watering around the base of the orchid. This watering method not only supplies natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds from red onions, but also helps the plant fight against fungal and bacterial infections, reducing yellowing leaves and root rot, while promoting overall growth from roots to leaves. Therefore, it's best to water once a week during the recovery phase, then reduce to 1 to 2 times a month to maintain stable nutrition and strengthen the plant's long-term health. In addition to orchids, I'll also water the roses. Roses love moisture, but require good aeration around their roots. So, when watering, make sure to pour gently around the base to avoid stagnant water, which can lead to root rot or fungal diseases. The red onion solution helps strengthen the plant's natural immunity and provides effective antibacterial and antifungal protection. When watering, do it evenly and gently around the base so the solution can gradually soak into the root system, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients efficiently without washing away the growing medium. Results after 2 months. For Anthuriums, the leaves have become lush, thick, and glossy with deeper and more vibrant colors. The roots are strong, with many new root hairs appearing, helping the plant absorb nutrients more efficiently. Notably, the plant has started producing multiple new flower stalks, and the blooms last longer with a bright, vivid red color, bringing a lively and elegant charm to the space. For orchids, the flower spikes and buds have developed evenly and sturdily. The buds are abundant, large, and vividly colored, with long-lasting blossoms that bloom one after another, creating a stunning display of energy and color that lasts for weeks. For plants like kalanchoe, lilies, and other ornamental flowers, the results are equally impressive. Flower shoots and buds have developed strongly, preparing for a vibrant blooming season. The buds are numerous, large, and brightly colored, making each pot look full of life and irresistibly eye-catching. This is a well-deserved reward for your patience and dedication. When cared for properly, orchids will respond with vibrant energy and naturally stunning blooms. Enjoy every moment of nurturing your orchids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new orchid care tips. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video on Great Garden.